In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online just using your cell phone and the internet connection. You're gonna use your cell phone to take pictures in different places and upload these pictures or videos online and start making money. Let me show you an example right now. For instance, I used my cell phone to take pictures like this one, flowers. You see these flowers, beautiful flowers. And all of the pictures that you are seeing right now, I used my cell phone, and my cell phone is not the latest cell phone on the market right now, and it's one of the easiest way to make money online. It's very easy, guys, and also you can do it. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and so that you don't miss again any videos that I'm about to release very soon. So you are going to use your cell phone to take pictures and creating videos online and take beautiful pictures like this one, and then by taking these pictures, this is how you can sell. So as you see, this guy is selling these simple pictures for almost $200. One single pictures for $200, and this is a good example that I can give it to you guys. So it means that also just by uploading one videos or one pictures, you can get $50, you can get $20, you can get $100, you can get $1,000 for one single picture. It depends basically on the pictures or the video that you are uploading here, and you also can do it. So the first website that we are going to use is called FOAP, FOAP.com. So head over to For Creators and then click on Sell Your Content. You will see that you're gonna find an app for Android and the iOS. So basically this is how it works. You simply will upload videos or photos to earn cash. Every single time a brand or agency find your work, they're gonna purchase, they're gonna buy your pictures or videos, and you're gonna divide the profit with the FOAP team or the FOAP website. So it's 50-50. If the pictures cost 200, you're gonna get 100, and then they will gonna get another 100, and this is how it works. It's very simple and very profitable as well. So you see people like these ladies, they are selling and make good amount of money. As you see, this is beautiful pictures right there, and they are only taking these pictures and selling online and making money. This is easy. And the second website that we are going to use as well is called Shutterstock. Shutterstock, I can imagine that you already know this website because it's very famous. So what we're gonna do on this website, what we're gonna do, if you for instance go to this website and search for different images, you are going to see that they have almost everything that you want. And it means that if there are many people also uploading or people doing the same, means that the demand is very high. So this is what we're gonna do. Let me change here, right? Shutterstock.com. So let me give you an example for the images that I showed you at the beginning. Flowers. Let me search here for flowers. If you search flowers, and then you will see that there are many flowers right here. A lot of people are taking pictures, like just simple pictures like this one, and selling for big money or for profit. And means that you can also do the same and have it in your bank account.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
It's very easy. Use your phone to take pictures on the places that you love the most, and the places doesn't necessarily has to be or need to be a place where you think that is like luxury. There is a lot of luxury things over there. Something very simple sometimes sells the most. People will find your content, you're gonna sell and still make money. And the more posts you make, the more pictures you take, the more videos you create, the more you will earn. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again another video. And by the way, it's very easy to create an account right here. Let me show you first within FOAP. And FOP is very simple. You just click here on sign up, right? Let's click here. Let me if you click, for instance, on sign in, and then you will see there is a page that where you're going to sign in, register here. When you click here, register here, you're going to register with Facebook or with your email. So this is very easy, and you can create an account. It's free, and start uploading your own pictures, your own images that you have on your cell phone, on that you are going to take from today on and start making money as well. And the second with FOP is also another easy way. You can click here on sign up, click sign up, and then you're gonna see this page that you're gonna sign up with your email and start making money. So guys, this is a very easy method that there is no way to not give it a try. Give it a try, sell your pictures, let's say for $10 or $5, and you will see results. And when you start making money, please come back to this video and comment what or how much you made already. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one. Subscribe, hit the bell, and peace out. See you to the next video.